How to change profile name in YouTube Kids. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update your child's profile name in the YouTube Kids application on iOS and Android device. So this guide provides step-by-step instructions to personalize your child's viewing experience. So first of all, you gotta head over and log into your YouTube Kids application. And once you do so, you gotta click on this profile icon at the bottom right. Once you do so, you'll be redirected to the profile, and over here you'll be able to see that this is your profile picture along your name. So you gotta click on this pencil icon over here. If you wish to change the profile picture, you can simply navigate it, or if you wish to change the profile name, you gotta click on this pencil icon again, and you gotta remove this and type in the new name. For example, this is the name that I have typed in, and then you gotta head over, click on return. Now you can see that the profile name has been updated. You gotta go back, and once you do so, it says profile updated. You gotta go back and go to your profile again, and now you can see that you have changed your profile name successfully. So that was how you can change profile name in YouTube Kids. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.